Day number 8 or 9. So day 8, day. We are 8 days been working. So from 8 to 8 actually, 12 hours. And now we have this moment. This is our Norwegian house. So we have a Norwegian. Is this a Norwegian flag, Arti?
Looks like.
Looks like Norwegian flag. Artist made it. So this is the moment. Edgars Neilands Norwegian first base. Next one on the moon. Very good. So today we have a little bit painted here. That's why we can put the flag. This corner is just painted. And Anna and Petris did it, but this wall is completely painted. Maybe a little bit, yes, it's all good. Okay, you have usually one problem that you don't have furniture. We have too much. So we bought about 8 cubic meters of furniture. Let's go in. We have 2 tables. We have to decide which one we keep here. Another one goes. We have double sofa, red or leather one, brown. So we actually can start making design. A big table, so this one will go upstairs. Last thing what we did today, Anna, we have to show it. We solved the problem, kind of. We cannot walk on it too much, but this was leaking. That's why we had to change all the wooden parts of under the balcony. We will make terrace here, little sauna. Little bit of roof because it's not waterproof totally. It's gonna be much better than before, but these parts I don't like. It will going down and some tiles around, but wood going through the tiles, not good. So we will put extra here, chuk. But anyway, wood is wood. And the roof is fixed, and even more, the skorstens, as Norwegians say, pipe, skorsten har fått taket, or we have a roof on a pipe. So this is nice. We have more and more furniture. So come here. This room, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. Well, but this corner is slowly getting. It's easy to. This is very nice corner. Green room. And a blue room. This is gonna be cave of beds. We will clean it soon, but yes, slowly. Hello, this is editing. We are now jumping couple of bonds in front. We are in Latvia. Anna is making clipping, cutting and putting it all together. And this is a moment when we are getting very tired in fixing our Norwegian old house. And voice over maybe is a good solution. What do you think, Anna?
Yes.
So we could, this could help Anna to make this YouTube video. We are about in the middle now of our video.
Yes.
We are about in the middle of our process. So the process was, for those who are starting now, this is a very nice property on a very nice coastal line on an island in Norway. And of course, all the money we paid was to buy the land, and a house was for local people only a problem. So they would be happy to take it down and build a nice new house. But our idea was about our village and all the school here in Latvia, in Riga, where we are located, is about recycling and giving the second chance. So when we saw this old house, we thought maybe we give a second chance. But second chance means also very little budget, very little time. And the plan is, can we make it livable in 2.5 weeks? And this is what we are trying to do. Will we succeed? Do we get the goal? Is somebody really going to stay overnight in this house? And how it goes, we will find out in a couple of next episodes. Mm-hmm. So if you want to see it, how it goes in Norway, does it make sense to invest in an old house? Maybe we will have to take it down anyway. So we are investing very carefully. Time, money, all the furniture, windows, all of it. If we will be happy there, if it will work, we will probably change all the windows and insulate the house and all of this. But let's see how we do it now to find it out. We know it already, but you will find it out in next episodes. How you already know, we are a company located in Riga, in Latvia, and in Norway our name is Edgars Neilands. This is my name, and we have partners for Edgars Neilands AS in Norway, Norwegians, local people. great to have. And this will be your Norwegian base. So in Norway we are just a little part, but this is our school or our company house in Latvia. And we are arborists, we are climbing trees, pruning dead, planting new ones, a gardener team, quite big. We are also having carpenter team, building playgrounds for children. And not only this, we have 3 experts and a lot more, about 70 people together. But now we are back in Norway in an old house, and insulation is one of the biggest problems. So we decided not to invest to insulate all the house. This would be too much. So we are insulating only the totally rotten party. This is a ingang party. And this is now the only part totally insulated and with the new boards. So we have finished our big kitchen with Latvian oak decks. And this will be also our office or meeting place where we have place for all of us. Food will be made more in this old kitchen, and we are trying to keep as much as possible. But some parts we have to change, and we are changing with oak. We got for free some laminate for floors, so we decided to take off the old one, and Petris are installing the new one, which we found in a downbreakable house. So I think this is good chance to make a new and good looking floor without spending money. Heidelberg company were very nice bringing stones. This is where we spent some money. We got several trucks and all of them were delivered perfectly. So thank you to Knut, the driver. And now we have less mud. We are ready for parking. We have an office corner already. Slowly getting filled up. And Norwegian landscapes on the walls. And in a window. Many lamps. Painting slowly getting places. This is instead of TV. I think this is very nice. Second-hand shop. Very nice. What are you doing?
Fixing windows.
Fixing windows. A little bit too small.
It's a shot.
Little short window. But we have a window now. Anna,
Yes,
great success.
great success.
It's gonna be clean and white also inside.
Yes,
When?
today.
Today. This is what we got. How clean we could. Was this a place with the birds? Bird nest was in this one?
Yes,
In a tube or in a corner?
in a tube.
In a tube, okay.
And we will change this.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's good. Very clean. And this is after 2 or 3 cleanings with very hard cleaners. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. I think this is finished. Wow. So this is why very wide boards because we have a smaller window. The window, I think, looks good. So next time when we fix all the windows, then we can put a little bit bigger back again.
Viss tīrs, kanalizācijas truba tīra.
All shit is gone.
Yeah.
There was old shit.
All the shit and plastic bags, and I even saw a fish's jaw in the...
Dead mouse.
No dead mouse yet.
So this is where we are starting today a project, man cave project, workshop place. So here will be door one day maybe, so not so much there. So electricians are very busy in Norway, so this is something you have to be ready. So thank you to your Natle who came in holiday to help to fix us, so that we can at least live now. And we are waiting for electricians still after a couple of months. So let's hope in October, November that we will get help. So thank you for watching, and to find out how we will finish this project, at least 2, maybe 3 more episodes will come out. And to follow up what else our team Edgars Neilands AS in Norway or LABIE KOKI in Latvia or in other countries are doing, you can always subscribe and follow us.